Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Feature Engineering, Enhancing Your Model's Capabilities. Hello developers. In our journey to build intelligent AI, we've learned that AI models learn from data to make predictions or understand the world. But how well an AI learns isn't just about the fancy algorithms. It's hugely about the data we feed it. Today, we're unlocking a powerful technique called feature engineering. It's how you make your AI truly smart by giving it the best possible information. Imagine you're a chef, and you're about to cook a gourmet meal. You start with raw ingredients: whole potatoes, a block of cheese, a raw chicken. For your AI model, the raw ingredients are your unprocessed data, numbers, text, dates, images, whatever you've collected. This raw data is essential. But just like a whole potato isn't a mashed potato, raw data isn't always in the perfect form for an AI to digest and learn from effectively. It can be messy, too detailed, or not directly useful. Now, continuing our chef analogy, before cooking, you don't just throw a whole potato into the pot. You peel it, chop it, maybe boil it. These prepared, meaningful parts are what we call features in AI. A feature is a specific, measurable attribute or piece of information from your data that your AI model can use to learn patterns. If you're building an AI to predict house prices, instead of just a raw address, useful features might be number of bedrooms, square footage, distance to nearest school, or age of the house. These are things the AI can directly understand and link to a price. Feature engineering is the process of taking your raw data and creatively transforming, combining, and extracting information to create these meaningful features that your AI model can learn best from. It's like that master chef not just chopping vegetables, but also marinating the meat, creating a unique sauce, or grinding spices. You're not adding new raw ingredients, but you're making the existing ones much more useful, flavorful, and potent. This process is crucial because it directly impacts how well your AI model performs its task. As a developer, you'll use code to apply these techniques. 1. Combining features. If you have length and width of a room, you can create a new feature. Area equals length width . This area might be far more useful for predicting house value than length or width alone. 2. Extracting information from a raw timestamp e.g., the 26th of October 2023 14:30. You can extract hour of day day of week month year. Is your traffic prediction AI different on a Monday morning rush hour versus a Sunday afternoon? 3. Converting categories to numbers. If your data has text like color, red, blue, green, your AI model might struggle with text. You can convert red into (1), blue into (2), etc., or even create binary features like (is_red) 1 or 0, (is_blue) 1 or 0. 4. Handling missing values. What if some data points are incomplete? E.g., a house listing without number of bathrooms. You might fill it in with the average value, or a smart guess, rather than just ignoring or deleting that data. This step is not optional, it's often the most impactful thing you can do for your AI project. 1. Smarter, more accurate AI. Well-engineered features mean your AI model learns more effectively from the patterns you want it to see, leading to significantly more accurate predictions and better decisions. 2. Simpler models can perform better. Sometimes, Creating really good features can make a complex problem simple enough for even a basic AI model to solve with high accuracy. 3. Faster training. When data is presented clearly through strong features, your AI model can learn patterns quicker, saving you computation time and resources. 4. Deeper understanding. The process of feature engineering forces you, the developer, to understand your data and the problem domain much more deeply, which is invaluable for any project. Feature engineering isn't just a technical coding step, it's a creative and analytical process. As the developer, you are often the domain expert who understands the data best. You know what factors truly influence the outcome you're trying to predict. You'll use your coding skills to experiment, try different transformations, and see what works best. It's an iterative process of coding, testing, evaluating, and refining. Your goal is to guide your AI, helping it see the patterns and relationships in the data more clearly, effectively turning raw numbers and text into actionable intelligence. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.